parts 25 and 26. Didn't time just fly until the next month came around? Yeah. I think we know why that is, don't we? Anyway, this will take us just over the quarter way through mark. So that's very exciting. And if I'm not very much mistaken, part 25 is the final part of the head chassis. It's only taken 25 parts to reach this stage, but we're finally here, and this bit will be complete. Sort of, yes, well, it doesn't actually fit across the whole gap, but it is complete. Thank God. So, let's go fit this on. Huge sigh later, but I was slightly mistaken, it does go all the way across. Where is it? It's that piece. So that completes, finally, the head section. Well, obviously, apart from the metal frames that have got to go along the bottom, but we'll cross that bridge when we come to it. For now, that is part 25 done. So let's see what's in part 26. Remember the sense of triumph when you completed the head chassis? Well, forget it, because we're moving straight back to the foot. So let's go and put that on now if we can. It looks quite an interesting part. Alright, you get 3 pieces with this part. That piece, rather obviously, this little tiny piece here, and this other weird metal piece here. The first thing you'll be doing is screwing this bit onto the end of the foot, and it's quite easy to get in because there's 2 metal pins there. They go into these holes at the edge of that block there, so, but they won't go in again now. I'm going to get it completely wrong. Wait a second. It is like, no, it is like that. So you'll be screwing 1, 2, 3, 4. I have to say that was extremely satisfying, screwing all those in. Metal into metal, supported by metal. How could that not be satisfying? So then after that, you take this little circle bit here and you plop it into the middle, just like that. I didn't actually do that beforehand, off camera, because I'm not sure it's ever going to come out again, but there we go. Doesn't have to come out again. And then lastly, but not leastly, you take this bit, and the nice part about this is that if you try and put it in that way, nothing happens. You'd have to really force it through there. Obviously that's a square, and that's a square, and you have to put that into there. It will only go into that way. So that's nice. I like that. Don't know how far you're supposed to press it, but once you've done that, this is working like another test part, just to see how it works. So let's go test it now, right now. And that goes into there. I'll be able to spin on its axis, it says, and I can. So that looks nice. This is a really solid build, I have to say. It needs to be, because there's a lot of weight it's going to need to support much later on, so it's a good thing. And with that being said, that is part 26. It's looking a bit more complete on the bottom there. Obviously we're going to need a great big white shoe going over the top there, but that is it. Part 26 done.